Today we'll discuss the macros of the Excel, how to create the Excel, how to create the workbook, how to create the sheets, and how to save the file, how to close, open, resize, everything. So let me take you to the Excel. So here is my Excel bar is there. So I'm just clicking, I'm using the Excel 2016. So here I'm just clicking open. So once you click open, the Excel will open. So to open a new Excel, and you are seeing this blank workbook. So most of the people who used to use the blank workbook. So we can use this one. So let me click there. So once you open this blank workbook, here you are seeing on the top, this is called the, let me show you in detail. This top portion we call it the ribbon, okay, and this portion, right, this portion we call it the formula bar. Here we're seeing fx, or where my cursor is there. The next here, this book one, right, this we call it the title bar, okay, and this one you are seeing this undo and redo symbol is there, right, and here is the customize quick access toolbar. So this we call it the quick access toolbar. Right side you are seeing this scroll. So this is called the scroll bar vertically, and here the down you are seeing this scroll bar. This is called the vertical horizontal scroll bar. Similarly here the plus or minus 100% showing a zoom. So this is called the zoom dialog box, or zoom in or zoom out, or okay. So similarly, and next is the view bar, right? So here it's showing the page break preview, or page layout, or normal view. Similarly, these are the column, okay, or column bar. So like column A, column B, column C, column D. So there are around in this 2016 Excel, let me check how many columns are there. So almost 16,384 columns are there. Okay, so we'll discuss. Similarly, this is the row bar. Okay, row 1, row 2, row 3, 4, row 4, row 5, like that, right? So this is called the row bar. Okay, and the column bar, if you see, this is the column bar which I selected yellow color. So now this is called the row bar. In this row bar, there are, in this 2016 Excel, there are almost 10,48,576 row, and this entire sheet, right, this entire sheet we call it as the writing area, or sheet area, worksheet area. Okay, so the next is okay, so the next is to, and this on top left you're seeing this is called the file bar. Okay, and the top right you are seeing this is the close. To close this file, you can close it. To resize, you can just click this resize. Okay, and this is called the minimize bar, and this one ribbon display option. Okay, so auto hide or show tab, this is called the this one. And in case you want to hide this ribbon, you can just click right and you just collapse the ribbon, so the ribbon will automatically hide it. Okay, so next is to open, to save this file, you can just file and save as, you can save the file. Next is if you want to open a new book, so example, I'm just clicking new. So here there are different templates are there. Okay, so different templates are there which you can use. So example, I am going for a example, you can select anything like student schedule or daily work schedule. I'm just selecting daily work schedule. Okay, so you just create it. So it's downloading your template. Okay, so here it's showing the daily schedule. So it's showing like which year, daily schedule, event scheduler, okay, time interval, right? So this also you can use it for your planning. Okay, so this, right, so we'll see in details. all this thing. So example, I'm going to new again. So new workbook. So you just click new workbook. Okay. So the shortcut also there to open a new. Just click Control N. So there also you can just open a new Excel. Okay. So this is how to create a new Excel, to close Excel, to resize Excel, and this is how the overview of the normal Excel. Then we'll deep dive into the Excel in details in our next video. Thank you.